Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our Allure. It is our July Allure, so let's get into it and check it out. So happy to have Allure back on the channel. We had it for years and then went for about a little over a year without it, and I missed it. It has been so good lately. Last month's was super heavy. This month's is super light, so I'm anxious to see what is in here. We have one thing that I know about because Allure does do customization now. I will put all of the information down below for Allure, but this is a box that I just buy with my own money, so it's not an affiliate link or anything, but I will put a link down below for you. This is the July box, the paperwork that will tell us a little bit about everything inside, and it is all kind of small this month. Good things can come in small packages too. With Allure Beauty Box, they say you will have $120 plus in merchandise and 3 or more full-sized items. Unlike last month, we definitely had more than 3 full-sized items. And I used to find that it alternated, but let's see what they have this month. We'll just grab right in. This is the House Labs by Lady Gaga. This is actually my choice product. This was the product that if you subscribe, you got to customize. And it is in Glassy Pitaya. And it is a blush cream. I think it's gonna be this crazy. I don't think my camera is beginning to do this justice. That pink is crazy cool pink. So it's got the H on top. That's what it looks like. It feels very lightweight. I wonder how it opens. Does it just pull apart? Maybe, hold on. Maybe we should read about it. Judging from the picture, it looks like it's just gonna pull apart. Those were our choices in color choices, and you guys can see I picked this, I think it's the first one, this crazy bright pink. And it is the House Labs by Lady Gaga Color Fuse Glassy Blush Balm Stick in Glassy Pitaya, Glassy Lilac, or Glassy Rosette. Everything about this cream blush is fun, and each adorable color stick is a joy to pull out of your makeup bag and tap onto your cheeks. Its radiant finish makes glowing skin a cinch, and the sheer summery finish livens up your whole look. Basically, it's that youthful glow we're all chasing, but in a tube. And you got to choose your favorite shade to receive in your box. And this has a $34 value, depending on whether you do buy the box or a quarterly or an annual subscription. Your boxes range from about $20 to about $29. Got it, so just had to strong arm it. Oh my goodness. That is a bright pink. Let's just put it on the back of my hand. That is what it looks like. How does it fade out? Oh, nice. Oh, I love that. That is such a cute, fun, summery color, isn't it? I love that. I don't think that's gonna be too bright for me at all. I think it matches me very well. See, super pleased with my choice. Actually, they were all pretty good. They were all kind of leaning a little pink. And the lilac one, I have a Sephora blush in a purple that I like a lot. It kind of just, the way it blends out into my cheeks, it kind of gives me an overall blush feel, but it kind of does away with a little of this over redness that I tend to have naturally, but this looks like it is going to be super fun for summer. Love that. And I love that we got to choose the color that we thought would be best for us. Next out, we have Tatcha. It is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. I think there's a reason I can't use this. We'll read about it and we'll see what that is. But you guys know, if you follow the channel, I am sensitive and allergic to a lot of products. So just because it's a problem for me, it could still be a fantastic product. This says, Tatcha the Dewy Skin Cream. Can the chemists at Tatcha read minds? Everything we look for in a summertime moisturizer is in this little pot. The bouncy cream is hydrating but not heavy, ideal for muggy days. And it has a luminous finish that makes skin look fresh and radiant. If it were full-sized, it would be 50 ml. We have 10 ml, and it would be $72 full size. So this is about $14 worth. I am not gonna open it because the ingredients aren't on here, and it is my belief that I couldn't use this last time I got it. So I wanna be able to pass it along because that's a good little size. Next out, we have the Mighty Patch. It is Invisible Plus 6 hydrocolloid patches. This is what it looks like. I'm actually gonna save this for myself because if I'm going to get a blemish, it is usually in the summer. I get maybe 1 or 2 a year, but as soon as I get these, I give them away, and I want to have one around just in case, because last time I got these, I gave them away and then I wished I'd had one. And it says, if you've got a pimple, these have got you covered, literally and figuratively. Pop one on a breakout overnight or during the day and let the hydrocolloid patch do its zit shrinking thing. A full-sized is a 39 count. It's an odd number, and it is $17.99, and we have a 6 count. So that makes this about $3 worth. Great to have around if you need it. Okay, next out we have Paul Mitchell Bond RX Reparative Oil. And this says that we could have gotten this or the leave-in treatment. So I got the reparative oil, but you could have received the leave-in treatment. Summer isn't always kind to hair when things like humidity and time in the sun can cause frizz and dullness. These coddling treatments help get your hair looking frizz-free and shiny with minimal effort. Now that's actually fun. It would have been $28 for either the 0.85 oil or the 3.4 leave-in treatment. And we got 0.85. Oh, so we got full sizes. Okay, so this is one of our full-size products. So I got the leave-in oil treatment. Instantly repair dry, damaged hair while restoring softness and shine. This lightweight oil is infused with Bond RX technology that helps strengthen the hair and seal the cuticle for a smooth, frizz-free finish. Rub a few drops into palms of hands and distribute on towel-dried hair. Can also be applied sparingly to dry hair for a shiny frisbee finish. Do not rinse. So I won't put it on mine because it says, if it says sparingly, that means it's, I can't even see the product. That means its inclination is to make one's hair oily, and since I have fine, thin hair that wants to be oily anyway, we're not gonna apply this. Interesting. Okay, since this is the full size, that is interesting that it's just, looks like a tiny shampoo or conditioner, and then the top screws off and you have just that little lid. That is interesting. Oh, it smells very good. I like that scent a lot. It's just kind of like a hairy hair scent, but it smells really clean and fresh. Yeah, I would be trying that because I am leaning. I have gone back to using my Vegamore, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but already I'm shedding so much. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm shedding so much less. And now in the summer, I'm also trying to be a little frizzy, and I've never really had frizzy hair, so it's new to me. So I will definitely try this, but I will do it when my hair is damp, like it says, because I think it's just going to be an oil in there. Okay, next out we have Skin & Co. Gel Botanico Detergent. Oh, I'm reading reading it in maybe Italian because isn't Skin & Co. Italian? Ultra Gentle Botanical Face Cleansing Gel. That would be it in English. This is definitely one of our samples. And yes, made in Italy. It is 0.67 fluid ounces, and it says washing your face doesn't have to be boring. This gel cleanser feels soothing going on, and the smell is reminiscent of marzipan. Oh, I love that almondy scent. Not a bad way to start the day. $25 if it was 200 ml, and this says we have 20 ml, so we have a tenth, so $2.50 worth. Let's see if we can smell that marzipan. Oh, it's sealed. I'm taking it off because I will definitely be trying this marzipan scent. I want to get it to come up but not end up with it up my nose. Oh, so it's very full. Oh, it does. It has that almondy kind of Jergens. You know the Jergens, that's got cherry almond, but this is kind of like that with just the almond scent, and it's just a gel. It smells so good. So we will see how that does. And I think last but not least, we have the Professional Pore Primer. I think this is the original one. You know, they have like a matte one now, and silky smooth, lightweight, translucent, non-comedogenic. The paperwork says, like a soft focus filter for your face, this primer has a blurring effect that's very welcome if you're looking to hide pores. A tiny bit is enough to help make skin more even with less noticeable pores, and it's got a velvety texture so your makeup can wear more smoothly on top. And this is the full size 22 ml for $35. So another thing that would just pay for your box on its own. So this was another great box. That is what it looks like. I have not used the Professional in years, and I am, oh, that's pink. Still pink from our blush. We'll put it on this hand. Oh, look, it's tinted. Can you see it? It's tinted like face cream. Foundation. Can you tell it's been a couple of minutes since I've done this? Oh, it feels good. Definitely a nice silicone-y slip. But yes, it made the back of my hand look and feel wonderful and smooth. There's nothing there that I can show you guys that you would know was different from before, but trust me when I say it feels fantastic on the back of my hand. And although you don't have many pores on the back of your hand, I do have a little bit of, smells really good, do have a little bit of wrinkling, and it kind of smoothed that out because it filled in. It does have a scent. It's just kind of clean. It's rides that line between fruity and floral. It won't bother me at all, but if you are very sensitive to scents, it definitely has a scent. That was a quick look through our July Allure box. We got the Professional by Benefit, which is a very nice primer. We got the Haus Labs blush, what do they call it? Color Fuse Glassy Balm Blush. And this was the product that we got to customize for color for July. We got the Tatcha face cream, the Mighty Patch 6 patches for if you get a little bit of a blemish. I received the Paul Mitchell Bond RX reparative oil. You could also have received a leave-in conditioner. Then there was the Skin & Co face cleanser. So that was our Allure box for July. Let me know below what you guys think. But it's almost time for me to renew again already because I did it for the quarter and I just customized for the August box. And I am definitely gonna do it again. I will probably do it for a year next time. So it will just be done and I will save even a little bit more money. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. If you are new to the channel, I hope you will consider subscribing. I hope I will see you all again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you again really soon. Take care, guys.